Reach every generation and support young people that are at risk of crime and violence, criminal exploitation. Our job is to advocate for them in the first instance. A lot of young people are misunderstood, I think. So we support them one-to-one, we offer them one-to-one coaching and mentoring that's bespoke and individual. But the main cause of our work is to empower young people to become successful members of society. I think it's a good thing for the National Lottery Community Fund to address young people as one of their main focus, because a big organisation, a big influential organisation like this, supporting young people and bringing their needs into focus, that's a form of advocacy. So forget the income, forget the money. I think what that's going to do is let young people know that they're considered, they're thought about. It's not just a small organisation in the community that care about them. Actually, this is a national thing now. There's a need to support young people and bring their need into focus.
Hello, I'm Gweler. I'm 16 from Johnson. When I first started coming here, I was being mentored by Gavin, and it's been a good journey. It's come a long way. Because when I was 12, I could never really engage with other professionals. They couldn't understand me. They have no lived experience. So it's like, they don't understand where I've been and that the cause of my behaviour.
We come alongside you. We work with what you've already got, strength-based asset approach. So we don't take no credit, we discover that hidden talent and then we nurture it and we support young people to go and use it.
Yeah, Gavin saw my interest in music. I'm doing a 6-month music course, almost finished, got 1 month left. And yeah, it's good. And then after that, I'll have a part-time job here, working as a mentor and in the studio. To think that I could play a part in helping other people my age doing better for their life, and knowing that I play a part in making a difference, it's amazing, especially to think where I was and where the path I could have been down.
It starts with community.